In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the sort by node and the sort columns node. The sort by node allows us to sort a dataset by the values in a particular column, and the sort columns node allows us to reorder or sort the columns of a particular dataset. First, in the sort by configuration pane, the first option is a description. This can help us differentiate between different nodes of the same type. Now we need to add to our variables list. We can do this using the plus sign on the left-hand side of the configuration pane. We can also remove values from our variables list using the minus signs on the right-hand side of the configuration pane. Now we can select the columns which we want to sort the dataset by. For this example, we will use the RI column, or refractive index. Next, we can select the sorting order. Our two options are descending or ascending. For this example, we will sort in descending order. Next, in the sort columns configuration pane, we can see that all of the columns in our dataset are listed on the left-hand side of the configuration pane, and the actions which we want to apply are listed on the right-hand side of the configuration pane. The first two options, A to Z and Z to A, sort the dataset's columns in alphabetical order. The next four, up, down, move first, and move last, are used to move a particular column within a dataset. And the final option is reset. This will reorder the columns to the original order. To use the A to Z and Z to A, we need to just click on the action. To use the up, down, move first, and move last, we first need to select a column which we want to move, and then select the action. For this example, we will sort the columns in alphabetical order. Now we can execute this workflow. In the execution page, we can see that the first dataset that we ordered or sorted by was sorted by the refractive index. Now we can see that all of the values are sorted in descending order. This is useful for creating lists or finding the greatest values in particular columns. Next, we sorted the columns in alphabetical order. Thank you for listening.